Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make Alt plus Tab window not to auto hide even after not pressing Alt and Tab key in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. Let me press the Alt and Tab key on my computer keyboard. So now you can see here the Alt and Tab key window is appearing. Now if I release the Alt and Tab key from my computer keyboard, the Alt plus Tab window gets auto hide. So in order to make this Alt plus Tab window not to auto hide even after not pressing Alt and Tab key, what you need to do is just press Ctrl Alt and Tab together. Now you can see the Alt plus Tab window is appearing. Now if I release it, now you can see the Alt plus Tab window is not getting auto hide. So even if I move my computer mouse also, it's still present, as you can see right now. So even if I click on the blank area of the Alt plus Tab window, it's not getting auto hide. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make Alt plus Tab window not to auto hide even after not pressing Alt and Tab key in Windows PC. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.